is clamp meter. It can measure current flowing through the wires. Like for example, the dust lamp plugging into the extension cord. So on the clamp meter into amp. So next, measuring current. You cannot measure or read the current flowing if you clamp the whole wire. As you can see, if we clamp the whole wire, there's no reading. It's only zero. You can see it already separated. Clamp the white one, so the reading is 0.349. So next black. So let's see. Black one is exactly the same to the white. And next, as you can see, the green one is ground wire. You cannot see any activity in this wire. That's all.